Hello, learners. I'm Grandpa, here to make English easy and fun. Today, I'm here with a story, The Friendship of Leo and the Sparrow, a friendship that soared beyond the skies. Stay for the moral lesson and vocabulary till the end. Let's begin. In a quiet village nestled between tall mountains, there lived a young boy named Leo. He had a curious spirit and loved exploring the fields and forests around his home. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through a vibrant meadow, Leo came across a little sparrow with a hurt wing. The bird was chirping softly, unable to fly. Leo felt a rush of compassion. "Don't worry, little one. I'll help you," he said gently, carefully. He picked up the sparrow and took it home. At home, Leo created a cozy nest for the bird using an old box, some soft cloth, and a few twigs. He carefully fed the sparrow breadcrumbs and water each day. They formed a special bond. The more Leo helped, the more the sparrow seemed to trust him. As the days turned into weeks, the sparrow, whom Leo named Pip, began to heal. Leo would tell Pip stories about his adventures and dreams. "One day, I want to be brave enough to climb the tallest mountain," he said, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Pip listened carefully, often responding with happy chirps. Leo would laugh, delighted at how much Pip seemed to understand him. Even though Pip was just a bird, Leo felt like they shared a deep friendship. One morning, as Leo woke up, he noticed Pip testing his wings. Leo felt a mixture of joy and sadness. "You're getting better," he cheered, "but you'll be able to fly away soon." Pip chirped softly, looking at Leo as if to say, "I won't forget you." Finally, the day came when Pip was strong enough to fly. Leo took him to the meadow where they first met. "This is your home, Pip. You belong here," Leo said, his voice a little shaky. With a small flap of his wings, Pip took off into the sky, soaring high above the fields. Leo watched with him as Pip danced among the clouds, feeling a mix of pride and sadness at his heart. Suddenly, Pip flew in a circle and landed back on Leo's shoulder, chirping joyfully. Leo laughed, realizing that while Pip was free to explore the world, their bond remained strong. From that day forward, Pip would visit Leo every morning, bringing little gifts like shiny stones or colorful feathers. The villagers marveled at the sight of the boy and the sparrow, to friends who understood each other in ways words could not express. Leo learned an important lesson. True friendship means loving someone enough to let them be free. And in turn, Pip taught Leo the beauty of loyalty and connection, no matter the differences between them. And so Leo and Pip continued their adventures, their friendship growing stronger with each shared moment under the vast blue sky. True friendship is about care, trust, and letting go when the time is right. When we set others free, real bonds never fade, they only grow stronger. Vocabulary: meadow, a field of grass and wild flowers. Curious, eager to learn or know something. Compassion, sympathy and concern for the sufferings of others. Bond, a strong connection between people or beings. Cozy, comfortable and warm, healing, the process of becoming well again. Pride, a feeling of happiness and satisfaction about achievements. Explore, to travel through an area to learn about it. Loyalty, a strong feeling of support or allegiance. Adventure, an exciting or unusual experience.